So Cardiff Bay Warriors has been running since the year 2006. It used to be, well, still is, an international team that plays in international tournaments around the world. It started probably, I would say, probably when I was a player, probably about 20 years ago, long time ago. We used to do summer tournaments, and we travelled to Canada a couple of seasons in a row. So we brought it back 2018-19 season. We entered the SBCL tournament, which is a British tournament. Teams from all around the UK that participate, all Birmingham, London, Sheffield, Manchester. And in 2002 we were victorious. Our success is more built on our passion and our will to win and our togetherness. So that usually sees us over the line in games.
So this is my first season with Cardiff Bay Warriors, but I've obviously played in a community for many years and grew up with all the boys here. So,
what does it mean to play within this community?
Everything really. You know, you got the people who look up to you as role models, watching you every week. So it is a nice feeling putting on the shirt. Yeah.
We're expecting a difficult test. West End are known in the Welsh leagues. Obviously they're not where they want to be in the divisions and stuff, but we remember them from when I was playing. They used to be a good Welsh league team, so they're going to be a very good team. But we're confident in causing a so-called upset.
You know what it is, we trust in our ability as a team. We know what we're capable of. So yeah, putting together a game plan today, sticking to it and hopefully executing it and being a draw for the next round, hopefully.
My name is Faisal. I used to play for the Cardiff Bay Warriors a few years ago, Tiger Bay as well, so I actually grew up around the corner from this community. Club ethos, basically, they represent the Somali diaspora here in South Wales, in Cardiff South specifically, the docks area, and they kind of pull and bring together the talent in that community into one kind of team. You guys see playing here today, obviously, and do participate successfully in international kind of Somali football tournaments around the world as well.
We come back from Canada in the summer. We were victorious in a Canada tournament this season, 2024. Things like this, being victorious and for the community to be proud of them, is a special feeling for them.
Putting Cardiff back on the international stage and the international map. You know, we've been away for a while, and I think it meant more because we went there last year and wasn't successful, but this year was, yeah, good to put the city back on the map.
Some places we go to, like they're like, oh, you guys are from London, England, and stuff. No, we're from Wales, and you know, usually we take our flags with us and stuff. We feel like we're educating teams from all around the world, not just Canada, but different teams we play against. And afterwards, you know, after we play them, they know where Wales is and where we come from. Not just England or UK, is Wales.
You kind of think about the great diaspora football clubs like Palmeiras in Brazil, you have Celtic obviously, the Hibs, and so on and so forth. So I guess this is kind of like a local iteration of the same thing. The Somali community in this area kind of got together. They wanted a team which represents them, which represents their identity, their values. It was an opportunity for them to gain visibility in Wales. It's a scarcely noticed community. Football's an opportunity for them to kind of showcase their talents. So yeah, football's really important obviously for this community and obviously other communities as well.
I think all in all it was a fantastic performance. I think we kept our shape well. I think the team today, I think probably one of our best performances of the season.
Omar, 2 goals for you today, man of the match performance, I'd say. Did you enjoy yourself out there?
Yeah, I think we played well as a team. We had the ball most of the game. We deserve a win.
You're one of 2 Tier 5 teams left in the competition. Now looking forward, who would you like in the next round?
Do you know what? We would probably like a home tie, if not probably somebody as high up. So you know, we want to test ourselves against the best, and yeah, we would definitely have somebody right, maybe the highest division or something, to be honest. So yeah, we look out for the draw. Hopefully we get one of the big boys. Yeah.